Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're breaking down a simple process, transferring Matic from your Phantom wallet to your Tangem wallet. Matic, the native token of the Polygon network, is a popular choice for fast and cheap transactions, and moving it to a hardware wallet like Tangem can add an extra layer of security. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have both wallets ready. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app or extension installed on your device, and your Tangem wallet should be set up and connected. Double-check that you're on the Polygon network in Phantom, as Matic operates there. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and navigate to your assets. Look for your Matic balance, it should be easy to spot. Step 2. Tap or click on the Matic asset to select it, then choose the Send or Transfer option. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Enter the recipient address. This is the address from your Tangem wallet. Copy it carefully to avoid any errors. Paste it into the field provided. Step 4. Specify the amount of Matic you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion, so aim for a balance that doesn't eat into your funds too much. Step 5. Review all the details on the screen. Once you're confident everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction using your Phantom wallet's security features. After that, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly on the Polygon network, but it might take a minute or two. Once it's done, open your Tangem wallet to verify that your Matic has arrived. A quick word of caution: always use official wallet apps, enable two-factor authentication if available, and never share your private keys. If you hit any snags, check the support forums for Phantom or Tangem. There you have it. You're now a pro at transferring Matic. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.